Okay, Slackbot is another bot. It installs the registry key in the Windows folder. The it installs the registry key, HKey local machine, run software, Microsoft, Windows, current version run, so it will constantly reboot, and the program file it installs is the zwbv.exe in the Windows folder. Now that's a weird name and you might spot it, but it's also innocuous enough that it might get past you. In fact, it did get past quite a few people. It installs a backdoor, and it is also controlled via IRC client that's installed on the compromised computer. It dynamically can update the installed backdoor, so whenever there's a patch it can download and update and fix itself so that it will be still not affected by whatever patches a vendor may release. It can send the backdoor to other IRC channels to attempt to compromise more computers, and it can download and execute whatever files the bot herder or the master of the bots decides to. Slackbot. Fatbot is a slightly different one. It actually uses peer-to-peer technology. It uses an AOL encrypted protocol for communications. It's pretty hard to detect, and it is a variant of the Agobot, the ubiquitous Agobot, which there are so many variants of. Now, Fatbot is pretty feature-rich. It will allow you to do just about anything as far as mutating itself or communications options. As I said, using peer-to-peer is another flexible or another range of flexibility that the bot allows for. Here's EvilBot. This was originated in 2001. It was made. It made its fame by crashing the grc.com. Now, grc.com is a security website, so it was ironic that it was its main target. The process name is sysedit.exe, which looks like a system file. It's very easy to detect now if you know what you're looking for, but sysedit in a process list looks fairly harmless. It does use port 6667, which is fairly common to a lot of the bots that use IRC, so it can be easy to spot if you see that traffic. Alright, how do you defend against these bots? Well, block IM and peer-to-peer traffic. That's number one. There is an argument to be made that there really isn't a need for IM traffic and peer-to-peer networking going in and out of a corporate organization. If that can be limited, then you should do so. You should cut off that traffic there and stop it at the firewall so it can't get in and infect any of the internal machines. Of course, any type of box hardening, security patches, tripwire type IDSs or integrity systems, local host-based firewalls like IP tables or any other product, the black ices and the like, good antivirus, good application and operating system updates and patches, good backups in case you do get infected, you can revert back to a previous state. Most IDS nowadays are capable of detecting bot traffic, and of course firewalls and checking of the logs religiously will help you defend yourself against these bots, which are terribly, terribly infectious.